Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with Painted Kids, and today we've got a really cute drawing. So today's drawing of the day is a pug puppy. So pugs are one of my favorite kinds of dogs, and they're really fun to draw because they're kind of like short and round and cuddly, and they've got like little wrinkles on their face. So I was really excited to try this with you today. So I'm starting out with Sharpie on paper, but I recommend that you guys start with pencil and eraser just in case you make a mistake. So to start our pug's face, I am going to start with the nose. So my nose is going to be a little closer to the left side of my paper because I want to have room for the body. I'm going to have the head over here and have the body kind of more towards the middle. So I'm going to start with my pug's nose. And it's just like an oval, but I color it in almost all the way black like this. But a lot of times my animals' noses, I leave a little white sparkle on top. And then after we have that part done, we're gonna draw a little line hanging down like that. And then I'm gonna start my pug's snout. So to start my pug's snout, I'm gonna start at the bottom of this line here. So I'm gonna start at the bottom of the line, and I'm gonna go down and around and touch the top of the nose. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Down and around and touch the top of the nose. Just like that. And then a lot of times with pugs, or with dogs in general, I'll add these little like polka dots on their cheeks. Like this. Just like that. And then to do the pug's little chin, it's just tucked under those little cheeks like that. And if you guys wanted to do the pug's little tongue sticking out, you could always do that too. So just like that, you can have the little tongue sticking out. That's kind of cute. And then after you have that part done, I'm gonna go ahead and add the pug's eyes on. So the pug's eyes are really big, and they're kind of to the side like this. Like that. So they're just barely above the snout. And they're wide set. They're not close to the nose. They're kind of out to the side. And pug's eyes are like donuts. So I'm going to draw a second circle in there. Like that. And then, as always with all my animal eyes, I like to make them cute. I like to have little sparkles. So I'm going to put a couple little sparkles, just a couple little circles in the middle of that circle inside the eye like this. And then I'm going to color the rest of it in black. Like this. Oh, this pug is looking adorable already. So cute with those sparkly eyes. Okay, so there's our pug's eyes. So after you have the pug's eyes, we're ready for the rest of the pug's head. So what I'm gonna do, you know what? Actually, even before I do the rest of the head, I think I'm gonna add on the little triangle ears. So to do pug's ears, I just draw like a little point, like a letter V, like that, to the one side. And I do another little V, and they're just to the side of the eyes. So I've got my snout, I've got my eyes, and then I've got these little V's. And these V's are the bottom of the short little ears. So then to finish the ears, I just do a little bit of a curve, like that. And now this makes it really easy to do this, the face, because all I have to do is come down from the ear and connect to the snout, and then kind of like connect the two ears together like this. So that's our pug's face. Now pugs, one of my favorite parts about them is they're so wrinkly. So I'm gonna add like some little wrinkles around the eyes, and I'm gonna add some wrinkles on the forehead, like this. So cute. So there's our little pug face. Now, we're ready for the pug's body. Now, pugs are really like little and round guys. So to start the little round body, I'm gonna do a curve, but it's not very long because pugs are close to the ground. It's just like a little curve that comes down from the head. And then I'm gonna do another little curve. That's gonna be a paw. And then I'm gonna do a little jump. And I'm gonna do another curve. These are gonna be the 2 front legs. To make them look a little more like front legs though, I do like to add like little toe lines like this. There you go. And then after you have those little toe lines, I'm gonna go up and a big jump and around. This is gonna be one of the back legs. And then I'm gonna do a really big jump. So this is the back leg, so it's gonna have to go up and around and kind of crash into the face, like that. And then I'm gonna put the little toe lines. 1, 2. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but my cat Starry Night is meowing. She's in the studio with me today. All right, so after we have 2 front legs, we have 1 back leg. We still got 1 more leg to go. So we gotta have like another leg kind of like peeking out from behind the belly and have his little toes like that. So now he's got 2 front legs and 2 back legs. And then pugs have this like teeny little tail. She's like a little swoop, like that. Super, super, super cute. All right, so I am done drawing my pug. If you guys want to, I have actually one of my favorite paintings at the studio is called Puppy Pug. And it's a pug with a birthday party hat. So if you guys want to add any extra details on this, you can. So you can add a background, so your pug can be like playing in your backyard, or he could be like sitting on the couch, or he could be at a birthday party with a birthday party hat and some presents around him. So if you guys want to add some extra details, you can, but I'm gonna go ahead and start coloring. So to color pugs, they're kind of like 2 shades of brown. So like 1 shade is like a tannish color. So if you have like a tan color, or I think right now the closest I have to a tan with my colored pencils is this gold color. So the tan part, or the lighter brown, is gonna be for most of the face here. So it's gonna be not the snout, not the ears, but it's gonna be most of the face. And I'm working with colored pencils today, but you guys just work with what you got. So if you have crayons, great. If you have markers, fine. If you just want to draw, not color, that's fine too. If you're lucky, maybe you're painting on canvas. So you can work with paint too, whatever you've got on hand. So I've got kind of like the face, mostly this kind of gold color. And then I'm gonna do the body also with this kind of tannish, goldish color. All right, so I'm working really fast, guys. You go slow and color carefully. As you can tell, I'm going really fast, but I don't like these videos to be too long, so I'm going fast. You guys take your time. And then once you get the whole body colored in with this lighter brown or this lighter tan color like this, and get the tail too, then I can start with the darker brown color. So the darker brown on pugs, I'm gonna go ahead and put this around the snout. So the snout, like around the nose. This part here is gonna be brown. Except for the tongue. I'm gonna make the tongue pink in a little bit. So I've got this part here, and then the chin, I don't like to forget the chin. Chin's also gonna be brown, and the ears are gonna be this darker brown color. So almost the whole pug is the tan color, but then you do have a couple little spots to do with this dark brown color, like this. Oh, and before I forget, because I always forget the tongue. If you got your little pug tongue is like hanging out, you need to make that pink. All right, so guys, thank you so much for coloring with me today. I had so much fun with my little pug drawing. I hope that you guys will join me again tomorrow for our 1 o'clock art lesson of the day. See you then.